Like the video says, we should eat fruit every single day. And so my project is on ways to increase healthy eating habits of children. So for some statistics, kids are often eating unhealthy in today's world. According to a study, obesity levels have increased since 1971 to 2012, and this is from our book. So an example of that is for the age range of 12 to 19-year-olds, in 1971, 7% of them were considered obese, whereas in 2012, that same age range, 20% of them were considered obese. So, why do they often eat what they eat? Oftentimes their choices are affected by their friends. They also often mimic what they see others eating around the home, such as their family members. Oftentimes the parents are the ones buying the foods, and so the children often ask and receive, and they often receive those unhealthy foods. Not saying it's always the parents' fault, but oftentimes the parents are the ones giving in and buying the foods. And that is from our book as well as a website called kidshealth.org. So what should we do? We should start teaching them young at what foods they should start eating. Be creative in showing them and teaching them and their friends new healthy eating patterns. Try not to give in when buying those unhealthy foods. And the article also shared that by serving a new food more than once, that may trigger the child to start liking that new food choice. Special considerations: make it fun. Let them pick between different healthy options so they still have the freedom while getting the healthy food. Also, be sure to talk to their doctor to make sure that they're getting what they really should be getting. And the healthy meal plan should have a good amount of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, as well as high protein and an appropriate amount of dairy. So all the images are from Google. Information comes from our textbook as well as kidshealth.org, an article called Kids and Food 10 Tips for Parents.